based upon their attachment, based upon their attachment, they are of two types. Yes, either it could be pedunculated, either it could be pedunculated, or it could be sessile. Now students, let us talk about one more very important thing. Whenever we are discussing colon, a colon is incomplete without polyps. So now let us have a brief overview of the colonic polyps and their management. This is very important for your exams. So now the next topic that we start in this chapter is approach to colonic polyp. When we talk about colonic polyp, yes, colonic polyp are of lot of types. Based upon their attachment, based upon their attachment, they are of two types. Yes, either it could be pedunculated, either it could be pedunculated, or it could be sessile. Then based upon the type, what are the, or you can say based upon the features, what are the types of polyps? They can be adenomatous polyp, they can be adenomatous. Remember, adenomatous is the most common. Some book says hyperplastic. Adenomatous is the most common cause polyp of colon. Then we have serrated polyp, serrated polyps. Then we have hyperplastic polyp, hyperplastic polyps. We have hamartomatous polyps, hamartomatous polyps. And then we have hamartomatous, we have inflammatory polyps. Inflammatory polyps are generally not associated with malignancies, conditions like Crohn's. Yeah, out of them, the adenomatous and the serrated polyp are neoplastic in nature. They are neoplastic in nature. Then when we talk about the polyps, there is one more classification of colonic polyp. This is on the basis of histopathological evaluation, HPE, histopathological evaluation. Now according to this, the polyp can be either tubular. When will you say a polyp is tubular? When more than 80% tubule content is there. Try to understand, normal columnar epithelium, yes, will have tubules. So more the tubules, more normal is the behavior of this colonic polyp. So tubular, if the content is 80% or above, it is tubular. That is a tubular type of tubules. If more than 80% tubular content or tubules are there, you will say it is a tubular type. Now the second is tubulovillous. When 20 to 80%, when 20 to 80% tubules are present, and then the last is villous. Villous is when less than 20% tubules. So try to understand, if we take the order of malignancy, yes, it is clear. Malignancy, this is maximum risk is with villous, then tubulovillous, and then tubular. All these things have been asked.